Hey everyone, can we all agree my back posture isn't the best right now? Yet most of us sit like that, stand like that all day, every day for work. I'm Dr. Wynn with CORE Chiropractic, and today I want to show you 3 stretches you can do to improve your posture for your middle back, as well as decrease and get rid of the pain. Now, first things first, why do we do that? We have this curve in your middle back, especially called the thoracic, called a kyphosis. And when we sit like this, we can get something called hyperkyphosis, or increased curvature of this middle back. Naturally, we want to do this, but because of the way our monitor is, our keyboard, the way our chair is, we tend to kind of lean forward, yet it's not healthy. Another reason is your lung capacity. When you're bent forward like this, you're covering the spaces of your lungs, and it can cause you to not have as deep a breathing as you should on a day-to-day basis. For example, if you try this right now, curl into a ball, take a deep breath in, you notice you can't really breathe in as much. But if we get into extension like this, we're able to open up those lung fields and breathe better. So not only are we dealing with the posture and back pain, but that allows us to breathe a lot easier too for long-term lung health. Another thing is, once you have this curvature in your back, it's a lot harder to prevent it the longer we're in this position for years and years. So you get this something called hunchback. A lot of people don't want that. Another thing, these nerves can get compressed with the way our bones are molded in this position, and over time it can cause stiffened joints and bones to potentially fuse together. So all of these things that we want to prevent on top of the pain and posture. So first things first, I want to show you a stretch as you're seated at the computer. So here is my table. I want you to put both elbows here and get into a dip in your back, the opposite motion of where we are every day. And then you want to look up. So what I'm teaching you is extension of your back and your neck. So get into that dip, look up, hold for 5 seconds, then get back into that curve, and then do another repetition with a hold. I want you to try to start that off with 2 sets of 10, about a 5-second hold. This will help you, especially when you're at the computer, when you're feeling like you're kind of going back into that state. Let's try to go ahead and open that up, and you can do it right here, right now. The second stretch is called wall slides. Find a wall, and I want you to flatten all the curves and lean against the wall as if you're laying down on your back. So with this, my lower back curve is gone, it's straight. So my pelvis is tucked in against the wall. And then your middle back, you want to flatten it as much as possible. And all you do is just add your elbows and your arms. Now it's called the wall slide because we're sliding your arms up and down. And what this does is it retrains your back to be straight, but allows the movement of muscles like we do normally every day. We move our arms, we're moving with our muscles, but with your back getting used to it being straight as you're moving these areas. So you're training your body to be in this position, be able to move freely. This is a good one. Again, you want everything straight against the wall. For the last and final exercise and stretch, I want to introduce Mr. Foam Roller. This is a foam roller. It's a cylindrical foam tube that helps roll out tight muscles and tight, stiff joint spaces. And for today, I want to go over the middle back one. So you just place it in that middle back area, and you're just going to roll it out. Find what's best for you. Sometimes you like to roll it out like this, or you just want to go into extension and get that stretch in that middle back. Either way works, both ways work, and this is highly recommended. I recommended this to a lot of my middle back pain, poor posture patients, and it works really, really well. We sell it in our clinic, and this is something that once you get it, you can carry it around with you. They're in a lot of gyms. Try it out and really get into that habit of rolling out your middle back, maybe starting off with that, or put it in your office, something that you're able to do for 5-10 minutes, rolling out the middle back to get into that extension. Okay, so those are 3 stretches or exercises you can do to help with middle back pain or poor posture. If any of this helped you, please like, comment, subscribe, share this with a loved one, share this with a coworker, anyone. And if you want to get further evaluation, come to CORE Chiropractic, reach out to us. We do evaluations, consultation, examinations, and x-rays as needed to get more information about you before we do anything at all. Thank you and see you soon.